They're big ones too, huh, Mia? She used to have the hiccups in the womb all the time. I think this is only the third time she's had them since she's been into the world. Mwah. She got some hiccups. She making funny faces, Mama?
Not really yet.
No? The first time she had them, her arms would go out to the side. Her arms would go out to the side. She was kind of freaking out. She didn't know what to think.
Your little mohawk. Oh.
Can you tell what she's doing, Hiccup?
She got a spike. Oh, yes.
Daddy making fun of your hair again.
You want to go see Grandma? You want to go see Nana? Oh, goodness.
That was a big one.
Goodness gracious.
Raising the non-existent eyebrows?
Ooh. They're there. We should pencil them in.
No, you don't.
Cutie.
Oh, poor thing.
Poor thing. Okay, Grandma.